Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going over how to add cinematic black bars on your footage. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, so first I'm gonna add an adjustment layer. That way I can have it on my clips. Makes it way easier now. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna search for letterbox. So drag that onto your adjustment clip. Boom. Once you have it open, drop down this menu and do 235. And then there you go. As you can see, you got your cinematic black bars. You can change the position of your footage up or down right here. There you go. With the adjustment layer, you have all your clips. Don't need to copy and paste the effect onto different ones. Just one and done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.